And this song for our ukulele song challenge, this one is a 16-bar blues and one of the greatest Elvis songs ever. This one is Jailhouse Rock. A 1, 2, 3. Here we go. They wanted to a party in the county jail. The prison band was there, they began to wail. The band was jumping and the joint began to swing. You should have heard the knocked up jailbird sing. Let's rock, everybody, let's rock. Everybody in the whole cell block was dancing to the Jailhouse Rock. Johnny Murphy played the tenor saxophone. Little Joe was blowing on the side trombone. The drummer boy from Illinois, the crash, boom, bang. The whole rhythm section was a purple gang. Let's rock, everybody, let's rock. Everybody in the whole cell block was dancing to the Jailhouse Rock. All right, I'm going to take that one right there. There's a lot of lyrics to squeeze in here, but this one is a lot of fun. This is a 16-bar blues. It is more of a straight rock blues, but it's still 16 bars, and it's still one of the greatest Elvis songs ever written. So join the challenge, become a VIP. I can't wait to hear your videos. Good luck to you, and we'll see you in the next one.